Welcome back to Daily Drives, your ultimate destination for futuristic machines, heavy equipment innovations, and next-generation vehicles that are changing the world. If you love powerful engineering and cutting-edge technology, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned. Because today we're diving into something truly impressive. The Liebherr RE 25 M Litronic Railroad 2026 is not just a machine. It's a symbol of how modern rail construction and maintenance are evolving. Built specifically for railway applications, this advanced rail excavator is designed to deliver precision, power, and reliability in some of the most demanding environments. Whether it's track maintenance, infrastructure upgrades, or complex rail construction projects, the RE 25M Litronic is engineered to perform flawlessly. One of the most striking things about this machine is its versatility. Unlike standard excavators, the Liebherr RE 25M Litronic can operate both on conventional ground and directly on railway tracks. Thanks to its integrated rail guidance system, it transitions smoothly between road and rail, saving valuable time on job sites. This flexibility makes it a favorite for rail operators who need efficiency without compromising safety. Powering the 2026 model is a refined, fuel-efficient engine combined with Liebherr's advanced Litronic control system. This intelligent system continuously monitors machine performance and automatically adjusts hydraulic power based on the task at hand. The result is smoother operation, lower fuel consumption, and reduced wear on components. In real-world terms, that means longer working hours, fewer breakdowns, and lower operating costs. Precision is another area where the Liebherr RE 25M Litronic truly shines. Rail work demands absolute accuracy, and this machine delivers with high-response hydraulics and finely tuned controls. Operators can perform delicate tasks such as sleeper replacement, ballast profiling, and trackside installation with confidence. Even in tight spaces along active rail lines, the machine maintains stability and control. The operator cabin in the 2026 version has been significantly improved for comfort and visibility. Large panoramic windows provide an excellent view of both the work area and the tracks, while the ergonomic control layout reduces fatigue during long shifts. The seat, controls, and display systems are fully adjustable, allowing operators to customize their workspace for maximum efficiency. A modern touchscreen interface displays real-time machine data, diagnostics, and safety alerts. Keeping everything under control at a glance. Safety is a major focus of the Liebherr RE 25 M Litronic Railroad 2026. The machine is equipped with advanced braking systems, rail locking mechanisms, and automated stability controls. These features ensure secure operation even on uneven tracks or challenging terrain. Integrated safety sensors help prevent accidental movements and enhance protection for both the operator and nearby workers. Durability is another key strength. Liebherr has built this excavator using high-grade materials and reinforced structural components to withstand constant vibration, heavy loads, and harsh weather conditions. From freezing winters to extreme summer heat, the RE 25M Litronic is designed to keep working without compromise. This durability translates into a longer service life and better return on investment for rail companies. Environmental efficiency also plays an important role in the 2026 model. With optimized engine performance and reduced emissions, the Liebherr RE 25M Litronic aligns with modern environmental standards. Lower noise levels make it suitable for urban rail projects where minimizing disruption is essential. This balance between power and sustainability reflects the future direction of heavy rail equipment. What truly sets this machine apart is how seamlessly it integrates technology, power, and practicality. It's not just about digging or lifting. It's about creating a smarter workflow for railway construction and maintenance. From faster setup times to improved operator confidence, every detail is designed to boost productivity. As rail networks continue to expand and modernize around the world, machines like the Liebherr RE 25M Litronic Railroad 2026 will play a crucial role. They represent the next step in rail infrastructure development, combining innovation with real-world reliability. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the most advanced railroad excavators of 2026, Don't forget to like this video and share it with fellow machinery enthusiasts. Subscribe to Daily Drives for more futuristic vehicles, heavy machines, and mind-blowing engineering content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video with another incredible machine that's shaping the future.